If you've ever wished you could cook a hearty meal quickly without all the hassle of a big, bulky kitchen, this Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot is the answer to your culinary dreams. Whether you're living in a dorm, working in an office, or just need a compact cooking solution for your small kitchen, this 1.5-liter mini hot pot is the perfect choice. Imagine having the ability to quickly make ramen, noodles, eggs, soup, or even a delicious hot pot with ease. The Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot offers all that and more, making it a must-have for busy individuals or those living in tight spaces. In this review, we'll explore its impressive features, benefits, and reasons why it's the ideal cooking companion for anyone who values convenience and efficiency. Key features of the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot. Number 1. Dual power regulation. 300 watts and 600 watts for flexibility. One of the standout features of the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot is its dual power regulation, offering both 300 watts and 600 watts power settings. This allows you to customize the cooking temperature based on what you're making. Here's how the dual power system benefits you. 300 watts power, perfect for quick meals like oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. This setting ensures a gentle heat that won't burn your food, ideal for light cooking. 600 watts power, ideal for soup, hot pot, or shabu-shabu. The higher setting helps bring liquids to a boil faster and ensures that you can cook larger portions. This dual functionality makes the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot a versatile cooking tool, allowing you to enjoy a variety of meals from breakfast to dinner without any trouble. Number 2. Compact and portable for small spaces. At 1.5 liters, the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot is designed to meet the needs of 1 to 2 people. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a small group, this pot is just the right size. It's perfect for dorm rooms. Cooking doesn't get any easier when you're living in a dorm with limited space. The compact design ensures it fits easily on any countertop. Offices. Bring the convenience of homemade meals to your office, making lunchtime more enjoyable and healthier. Small apartments. If you're living in a studio or small apartment, this pot will save you valuable space without sacrificing functionality. Camping. Its portability makes it a great option for camping trips, so you can cook your favorite meals on the go. Number 3. Non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleaning. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing sticky food off your cookware. The Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot is equipped with a food-grade non-stick coating, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. Non-stick surface prevents food from sticking, ensuring that you can cook with less oil and enjoy healthier meals. Easy to clean. After cooking, simply wipe the surface clean with water and a sponge. No need for harsh scrubbing, saving you time and effort. Number 4. Dual safety protection for peace of mind. Safety is a top priority with the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot. This portable cooker is equipped with 2 important safety features. Overheating protection. If the pot gets too hot, the safety mechanism will kick in to prevent overheating, ensuring you can cook with confidence. Boil dry protection. If you accidentally run the pot without enough water, this feature automatically turns off the pot, preventing any damage or risk of fire. These safety features make the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot a reliable and secure cooking appliance for your home, office, or dorm. Number 5. Thoughtful design with user convenience in mind. The Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot is designed to make your cooking experience as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible. Here's what you'll love about its design. Why you'll love the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot. If you're tired of relying on a microwave or a traditional stove to cook quick meals, the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot offers a smarter and more efficient solution. Here are a few reasons why this product is a must-have. Convenient for small spaces, perfect for people living in dorms, offices, or small apartments. Multifunctional, can be used for a variety of cooking tasks, including boiling, steaming, and making soup. Safe and easy to use, dual safety features ensure peace of mind while cooking. Time saving. The dual power settings allow you to cook at the right temperature, making meal prep quicker and easier. Easy cleanup. The non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. Whether you're a college student, a busy professional, or someone who enjoys convenience without compromising quality, the Yoolyqi Electric Hot Pot offers everything you need to create delicious meals in no time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.